Hello folks, in this video I will explain you what is data lake and how to store the data in Snowflake which is available in data lake. Okay, don't skip the video, it is very important, and even though interviewers may ask you, okay, don't forget it what I am saying right now. Okay, and first of all, what is data lake? Data lake is a stream or repository of data stored in its natural raw format, either in structured or semi-structured unstructured format. Means this is the data. You observe that this diagram. Okay, this is the data lake. In this data lake, we can store any kind of data. Means social media feeds. You could here in whatever the stored data in YouTube, that and all we can store in data lake. And also audio files, video files, or documents, yeah, documents, PDFs, Word documents, this and all also we can store in database. And here databases, we are using many databases, right? SQL, MySQL, Oracle, SAP database, these and all we can store in data lake. And files, CSV files, JSM files, XML files, Parquet, Avro, any kind of files we can store in data lake. And also cloud sources. In cloud sources means the cloud providers, Google, AWS, Azure. In this whatever data this is now, these and all we can store in data lake also. And web apps, sensors, IoT, any kind of data we can store in data lake. Understood? It may be structured or semi-structured, unstructured, any kind of data we can store it. I will explain you what is structured, semi-structured, unstructured data. Okay. And cloud data lake is a in cloud. This is the Google, AWS. These are cloud providers, right? In to see here, cloud data lake is a cloud hosted centralized repository that allows you to store all your structured, semi-structured, unstructured data at any scale, typically using object store and such as Amazon S3, as Microsoft Azure Data Lake Storage, ADLS, and blob storage, or Google's cloud storage. Means here Amazon is cloud provider that maintain cloud host centralized repository. Means cloud host centralized, what means here cloud lake, here data lake, like data lake. They maintain cloud. Amazon maintain data lake like S3 maintain, that is called cloud hosted centralized repository. On that S3 we can store the structured, semi-structured, unstructured, any kind of data we can store it. Similarly, Azure maintain ADLS or blob storage. Okay, on that in the ADLS or blob storage we can maintain any kind of data. Similarly, Google also, Google maintain Google cloud storage in Google cloud. These options we can available. Who belongs to cloud background, they can easily understood. Okay. And similarly, structured files, I will explain structured, semi-structured, and unstructured files. Structured file means delimited files, comma CSV, comma separator, TSV files. I will show you what is CSV file, or how look like. Okay, this is called CSV file. ID, comma, last name, comma, first name, comma, email, company, phone number, address, comma. This is comma separate values, right? Instead of commas, we are maintaining spaces. That is a TSV file. Okay, this is called CSV file. Understood? By the same way, I will explain what is semi-structured file, JSON file, XML file, paraquet file, ORC file, Avro file. You know what is XML file or what is JSON file? Okay, in who people have who belongs to Java background, they know what is JSON and XML. Okay, paraquet or ORC, they can easily understand what is JSON. How in XML, XML is looking like HTML format, like yeah, dependencies. That is called semi-structured data. Unstructured files, audio files. This one anyone can easily understand. Unstructured audio files, video files, audio files, listening music, video files, videos, and PDFs, Excel, Word documents, images. This and all comes under unstructured files. Okay, what is data lake include? Already I said now, AWS maintain S3 storage. This is maintain the S3. Simple storage, S3 means simple storage service. In this we can maintain any kind of data. We can store in any kind of data regarding to AWS. Okay, as well as here I will tell you, cloud storage centralized repository AWS S3 and Azure Azure Blob Storage or Azure Data Lake Storage ADLS and Google Cloud Storage. This is specifically used in Azure only. Google Blob Storage Azure and Google maintain Google Cloud Storage. Okay, how to organize the data in data lake? Okay, in AWS we S3 is there, right? In S3 is a data lake. Okay, in S3 we have created bucket. First of all we created bucket name. Okay, what is bucket name, and then that after create a database name, and that similarly schema name and table name create and date we have created and maintain data we can store it on the date whatever the uh, uh, on the day whatever data is received and that and are stored in data lake. Okay, in S3 bucket. First of all created a data, how to organize the data means in the S3 S3 storage is there, we have you click the option and there is bucket option is there to create bucket create bucket name is like show that one, and then we click the option create the bucket name on that only we have to create a database name, schema name and table name and data. Okay, every day we can update the data on that particular storage S3 bucket name. Okay, very similar way regular data flow in Snowflake projects. To see here, RDMS, Oracle Server, MySQL, MongoDB applications are like Oracle, whatever database data is there, no, we can store it in AWS also. Okay, to observe this data and to understand yourself carefully. Okay, this is data lake. We can store any kind of data here. Then what is here? What is the main question is in data lake? Whatever data is there, that is we can store it in Snowflake. Then how it is possible means in Snowflake in the Snowflake user interface data option is there. On the data whatever your database on that you have select schema, on that we have to create stages. Okay, once we have created a stage and to use the copy command to store the data lake data in Snowflake. Okay, I will show you in the next videos it practically, just to understood theoretically. Assume yourself, imagine yourself. Okay, here S3 is a what is what Amazon data lake external stage. We have to create an external stage in where we get external stage in here Snowflake. Then use copy commands. Whatever S3 in data S3 contain files whatever it may be, we use external stage and copy you can store in Snowflake. Snowflake developers are leads responsibility this one. Okay, and local drivers are servers load files Snowflake internal stage user or table stage using put command copy command data in Snowflake tables. This means you can also uh, in your complete C drive or D drive whatever data is there, the data also you can store in Snowflake. Okay, using put command or copy commands. Okay, if you like my video, do subscribe and share it. Okay, thank you for watching my video.